Hi guys, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie and today I am cleaning my craft cabinet. So I love to do crafts, as you know. I like to decorate. I like to use my hands to make all kinds of things. And so whether it's food or whether it's clothing or whether it is pretty much anything, I make homemade cards, I make all kinds of things. But one of the things you have to do when you are a crafty person is you have to kind of decide what crafts you are going to focus in more on and what ones are just kind of like something you kind of do here or there. And the hardest thing about crafts and hobbies is the space that you have in which to do them. And I have a beautiful space here. My husband actually built this all on his own. He built the drawers. He's actually not even done with it yet. He's putting shelving units in, and then all of the units are gonna have doors in them as well. So it's not quite done, but before it's done, I would like to go through all of my crafts and I would like to get rid of stuff. I would like to make sure that just everything is ready to be organized. And by doing that, I have to get rid of some stuff. And so today I am going through my craft stuff and getting rid of things. So let's get started. So I started everything off with just pulling things down, and these bins right here are all of my bins where I keep scissors and paints and all kinds of stuff. And this was actually the hardest to go through because it was stuff that I could use possibly, but I hadn't used in a while. And so I just started going through things and deciding, okay, what can I keep, what can I not, because I've got to get rid of stuff. And so I tried to be ruthless when it came down to this. If you notice me looking up a lot, it's because I was watching through my series called Dr. Quinn Medicine Woman. I've been going through that for the past couple of weeks, and so that's what I'm watching while I'm doing this. Once I was through that, I was able to put the bins back up on the shelf. If you notice, I have a nice little hair bow in my hair. I saw that and I was like, oh, that's so cute. And so I threw it in my hair and put it up all back where it went. Then it came down to this bin. This bin is actually more of like a tackle box, but I use it for all kinds of accents, for cards and all kinds of stuff like that. So this one actually was pretty easy to go through because a lot of it was stuff I hadn't used in years. And so I just went through everything and decided I'm not keeping this, I'm not keeping that. And I got through it pretty quick. And then it was time to go through the rest of the cabinets. I was able to get through my Rubbermaid bin there. If you look right in the front, I was able to get through that and get rid of stuff. And then I just sorted through my threads and all of my stuff for sewing.
Sewing is one of the hardest things to get rid of stuff from, because I do a lot of sewing, and sometimes you just hold on to those little pieces of material that you think that you could possibly use, and when you start to look at it, you start realizing, what am I going to use it for? And I think all of this boils down to that. It's like you hold on to those scraps thinking, oh, I might be able to make something with this, but in all reality, we really have to just say, I'm never going to use this. And so that's what I had to do, and by the end of it, it was getting pretty easy to do. I was able to sit down and just say, okay, this is garbage, this I haven't used in forever, this is going away, and I ended up with a huge pile of stuff to get rid of. Okay, so basically I have all my paper. I have school supplies right here, some papers that have to be gone through there, the printer, of course. The drawers were already organized, so I didn't need to do anything with that. I just straightened up and got rid of stuff from here. Looks so much better. Same thing from up here. Looks so much better. All of my sewing stuff, and then school stuff for Silas, and then some more sewing stuff right there. That's to be done. And that's what I kept. I'm getting rid of, let's see, all of this stuff right here, and that's all garbage, and that's pretty much it. The rest of it is all stuff that has to be done with our basement. If you look, see all of that? That's all stuff that I'm keeping just for organization purposes once what's behind me gets done. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. For those who are new to this channel, you may hit that red subscribe button down below. There's also a bell to one side, and that bell you can hit and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. If you like this video and would like to comment, please comment down below. There's a section down there that you can comment, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.